Okay, so remember the woman I told you about who's been attacking me my whole life? Yeah, that one. I told you I was going to do a follow-up video and tell you what I've been doing to keep her away from me. By the way, the woman is a mosquito. So this is my homemade concoction and I'm going to show you guys how to make it. So what you're going to need is some whole cloves. You're going to grind these up into 1 tablespoon of whole cloves. It's going to turn into a powder. You need some pure vanilla. You're going to need about 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla. And you need a food processor, or I use this instead. You're also going to need about 2 to 3 ounces of water. Okay, once you're done, it should look like this, just nice and powdery. And then you're going to get 2 ounces of water and you are going to boil this together. Bring it to a boil it for about 5 minutes. I mean, you can even do 3 minutes. Okay, so when your cloves and your water have boiled, you need to make sure that you drain it because you don't want those little bits and pieces from the cloves to be in your concoction. You're going to take your vanilla and you're going to pour 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and you're going to mix it. Once you've added your vanilla and your clove water together, it should look like this. It smells so good. You're going to get your favorite unscented lotion. I like to use the CeraVe moisturizing cream. It doesn't really have a scent, but it's also thick enough to like mix. And for this, just add as you go, mix it in and see the consistency that you like. So I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon. And there you have it. We have our mosquito concoction so that she does not have to harm us anymore, you guys. And I hope this recipe helps for you guys because it has definitely helped me. Toodaloo.